What's going on, everybody? Charlise Walker with Lisa's Business Enterprise here with a Make It Happen Monday credit tip. First of all, I want to start off by saying if you have not bought my book by now, Take Charge of Your Credit, a step-by-step guide to repairing your credit. um, Go ahead and do so. Try to make it easier. Yes, I do help people with credit repair, credit letters, the credit repair letters, and everything. But you can also save hundreds of dollars. But if you're just a person that you just don't want to um, do it yourself, definitely seek me out. But also, along with the book, I also been working on a workbook. Oh my God, this has been such a process. I'm trying to make it easy, trying to make it easier and this way, y'all, easy and affordable so that you can understand and do credit repair yourself. I always like to give knowledge. Knowledge is powerful, but sharing knowledge is empowerment. A easier, um, affordable way that you can work on yourself. If you are that type of person that can sit down and work through your credit. Remember, credit repair is not an overnight process or not a magical letter that goes poof and it's gone, okay? So I put some stuff together for you. This is the same things I would do for myself, the same things I would do for clients. The same things I would do for myself and the same thing I would do for clients. And what I also like in this workbook that will be coming out soon. In this workbook, I reveal strategies that has the removal strategy, bankruptcy removal strategy, and a vehicle repossession removal strategy as well. It's a ton of stuff in here. I want to just give out so much, but I'm going through the final stages. This will be out soon. Maybe when you're watching this, it's already out. I want to talk about the difference between your report is and what your credit score is. They both are important. Yes, they both are important. And so, as I always say, your credit report is your financial footprint or your financial report card. So, it contains the information about your credit activities and your current credit situation, such as, paying down um, your lease agreements or paying on your mortgage or paying on your car that you finance, stuff like that. It also determines the risk to lenders and service providers too. Credit scores are calculated based on the information in your credit report. So it helps in it's very important in determining whether you'll be able to pay a mortgage, your credit card, you know, other determining factors such as the rate that you will pay. So just remember, just for instance, the credit score is based on different pieces of credit data, and remember those different five different categories and percentages. For instance, we'll use FICO because I love to use FICO because FICO determines a lot of things in the world. For the FICO scoring model is that 35% of the credit score is determined by the payment history. 30% is the amount owed. 15% is the length of history. 10% is the new credit, and another 10% is the credit mix. So both are very important in determining how you will be a functional person in the world and be able to handle money. So that's why both is very important. Yes, it's great to have a good high credit score, but at the same time, what is on your credit report and will make you a risk, a low risk, or high risk, or no risk at all to lenders and service providers. So think about that. And if you are someone that needs help with the basis of understanding credit, go to our nonprofit website, or I'll give it to you somewhere in the description. That way you can do um, the workshop, the e-learning workshop is self-paced on our educational credit literacy. That is for anyone that is about 16 years old and up. But if you're an adult and you're like, I don't remember, I don't recall a lot of stuff, you can go through it too. I'll put that information in there as well. And if you have any questions or any concerns, definitely, shoot me an email. I'll see if I can answer it in a video as well. And as always, knowledge is powerful, but sharing knowledge is empowerment. Okay.